Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and welcome to day 21 of my 2024 Spellbinders Crafty Advent series. Spellbinders generously sent me one of their advent calendars to open and share with you here on my channel. So each day from the 1st to the 24th, I'm going to have a quick and fun video to show you what's behind the new door and create a project. For day 21, the gift was a die set that when you cut out and layer all of the pieces, it creates a cute little popsicle with a bite taken out. Because I wanted a bright pink center in the middle of my popsicle, I decided to go with chocolate covered raspberry. And because I wanted some dimension between the different layers of the coating, I did go ahead and cut the base layer from white cardstock and using a dark brown ink, the same that I cut the detailed layer out of, I ink blended the white. That way when I layer the chocolate pieces together, you can see where there are some highlights and different dimensions. I continued to build my popsicle, putting together things in layers, letting them dry in between well before moving on, and finally I added the finished popsicle that had the bite taken out of it to its little craft or toffee colored stick. I wanted to create a simple background for this piece and also pull in some more of that pink color, so I got a square of white cardstock that was cut to 2 3/4 inches square and did a little ink blending, concentrating the most ink around the outside edges. If you are enjoying this series, I think you're going to love my daily Advent lives. Make sure to check out the link at the top of the description box below and join me for the next live stream where I will be opening multiple crafty calendars and creating a new tag each day. Off camera, I added my finished popsicle to the lower right hand corner of the ink blended square, and for my sentiment I pulled one of the old stamp of the months out of my stash, and I'm going to use the Be Cool, Be Chill, and Be Merry. But to make it kind of go with my popsicle and not with wintry penguins, I will only be stamping the first 2 sentences from that, be cool, be chill. So what I did is I got my sentiment set up so that part would be on that pink square, and now before I ink it up, I am going to cover up the bottom part with just a piece of post-it removable tape. I then inked up the stamp with the dark brown ink, and you'll see here that there's some on that tape. But what you need to make sure to do is remove that before you go to stamp it. Otherwise you're going to have a dark brown blob where you don't want it. You'll see here that it was still a little light because that pink background is pretty dark. So I put that removable labeling tape back in place, re-inked it, and then stamped it once more to get a nice bold sentiment. For the mat on this piece, I cut down some dark brown cardstock into a 3-inch square, and at first I wasn't sure if I wanted to trim the popsicle stick off first or wait until after I'd adhered it. And I did decide to go ahead and adhere it all together, and then once that was dry, I cut off the excess stick with a pair of scissors. For this series, I made a special little mini photo album, and each day's creation is going to get turned into kind of an instant photo, or what you might know as a polaroid. So once I had my square done, I got it added to the top center of my background piece, and then it's just going to get put back in the album, so at the end of the month I will be able to go back and just see what each day's little gift was. It's such a fun and cute way to remember this series. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel and you would like to be notified of my next Advent video, make sure to click on that subscribe button below and ring the bell for all notifications. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.